This video explores the risks of buying property in Panama and some considerations that you need to keep in mind before purchasing properties in Panama. From tax exemptions to foundation ownership to legal and corporate implications.
So, what could go wrong? What are the risks of buying property in Panama? It's important to understand the risk of buying a property in Panama to ensure a secure investment. However, navigating the complexities of the Panamanian real estate market requires careful planning and understanding of local laws and regulations. New construction tax advantages in Panama real estate. Among these, the most popular with expats are the exemptions for new constructions, which can last up to 20 years. This category is especially appealing for those buying new beachfront condos, as it significantly reduces the cost of ownership. The specific terms of these exemptions can vary depending on factors such as property's location, type, and value, making it essential for buyers to gain a clear understanding to maximize their benefits. Homes for sale in Panama with tax benefits. For expats purchasing an already constructed property in Panama, where the exemption for new constructions does not apply, there are still beneficial tax exemptions to consider. One notable exemption is the transfer tax exemption on real estate sales, which can significantly reduce the upfront costs of purchasing a property. Additionally, properties over a certain age may qualify for reduced property taxes, which can offer a long-term financial benefit. Another important exemption to explore is the improvements tax exemption, applicable to properties that have undergone significant renovations or upgrades. This exemption can be particularly advantageous for expats who buy older properties and plan to invest in refurbishments, as it offers a tax break on the enhanced value of the property. Foundation ownership for retirement properties. For retirees considering Panama for their retirement home, owning property through a foundation can offer significant advantages. This legal structure provides an enhanced privacy and asset protection, allowing individuals to manage their properties more securely. It also facilitates estate planning, ensuring a smoother transition of assets to beneficiaries. However, it's vital to comprehend the implications and requirements for setting up a foundation in Panama to ensure it aligns with your retirement goals. Avoiding unexpected expense. When purchasing property in Panama, it's vital to take steps to avoid unexpected costs that constrain your budget. These unforeseen expenses often stem from overlooked maintenance issues, legal fees, or property tax adjustments. A thorough inspection of the property, a clear understanding of the purchase agreement, and awareness of the local real estate tax laws can help mitigate these risks. Engaging with a reputable real estate agent and knowledgeable attorney can also provide insight into potential hidden costs. Additionally, understanding the market and the area where you're buying can prevent overpaying for the property. Preparing for these unexpected costs ensures a smoother transaction and helps maintain your financial stability. Identifying hidden costs in real estate. Transactions can include unexpected repairs, unpaid taxes, or additional legal fees. To identify these potential expenses, conduct a comprehensive property inspection and review the legal status of the property, including any outstanding obligations. Consulting with a real estate expert can also uncover costs related to the area or type of property you are considering. Being aware of these hidden costs upfront can save you from future financial headaches and contribute to a more secure property investment. Hold money in escrow. Utilizing an escrow service during the property buying process in Panama is a smart way to protect your funds. Escrow acts as a neutral third party that securely holds the money until all parts of the purchase agreement are fulfilled, including property inspections, legal checks, and the transfer of ownership. Buying property through a corporation versus personal name. In Panama, buying property can be done either through a corporation or in one's personal name. Each method has its own legal and financial implications affecting liability, taxes, and estate planning. Deciding the best approach depends on individual circumstances, investment goals, and the potential for asset protection and tax optimization. Advantages of corporate ownership. Corporate ownership of property in Panama offers significant advantages, especially for foreign investors. It provides the chance for buyers to be anonymous, limiting personal liability in legal matters. Corporations can also offer easier transfer of ownership shares, simplifying the process of selling or bequeathing the property. Additionally, corporate structures can be beneficial for tax planning, potentially providing fiscal advantages such as deductions and varied tax obligations. Legal implications. The legal implications of buying property through a corporation as opposed to in one's personal name in Panama are substantial. Corporate ownership can facilitate asset management, provide enhanced privacy, and offer a layer of legal protection against personal liabilities. However, it also requires compliance with corporate governance, including annual fees and tax filings. Personal ownership is simpler, but exposes the owner to direct legal and financial responsibilities related to the property.
Find us online at www.ndm.com.pa for easy to understand legal support. Our website offers the latest legal information to keep you informed. It's clear, straightforward, and always up to date. If legal terms seems confusing, don't worry. Our website makes it simple to connect with friendly and knowledgeable lawyers who can explain everything you need to know. Facing immigration questions or business legalities, our attorneys are here for you. We make it easy to get the advice you need when you need it. Need legal assistance? Just visit ndm.com.pa.
Dissolving corporations after property sale. Dissolving a corporation in Panama after selling its property is a process that involves several legal and administrative steps. Initially, the corporation must ensure all outstanding liabilities such as taxes and service fees are settled to avoid complications. The sale of the property often prompts the dissolution if the corporation was established solely to hold that asset. The board of directors must formally agree to dissolve the corporation, a decision that should be documented in the corporate minutes. Following this, settle outstanding liabilities. Ensure all taxes, service fees, and other debts are paid to avoid legal complications. Board approval. Hold a formal meeting where the board of directors agrees to dissolve the corporation, documenting the decision in the corporate minutes. File dissolution notice. Submit a notice of dissolution to the Panamanian Public Registry to officially start the process and notify creditors. Settle debts and distribute assets. Pay off any remaining debts and distribute the leftover assets to the shareholders. If applicable, obtain certificate of dissolution. After completing all steps and settling debts, secure a certificate of dissolution from the public registry, confirming the corporation is legally dissolved. Discrepancy between listed and actual property values. When buying property in Panama, discrepancies between the listed and actual property values can arise, potentially leading to significant financial and legal ramifications. This discrepancy often occurs due to a misrepresentation of the property's size, location, or condition, which can affect the buyer's perception and the property's market value. Buyers need to conduct thorough due diligence, including a professional property appraisal, to verify the accuracy of the listed information and assess the real value. Such discrepancies can lead to disputes over the sale price, impact mortgage and financing arrangements, and affect property tax assessments. It is crucial to rectify any discrepancies before finalizing the purchase to ensure fair dealing and prevent future legal issues. Impact on taxes and legal concerns. Discrepancies between the listed and actual property values in Panama can significantly impact taxes and lead to legal concerns. If the actual value is higher than listed, it may result in higher property taxes and stamp duties. It's vital for buyers to accurately establish property values to avoid unexpected tax liabilities and legal challenges. Legal and tax considerations on Panama beachfront condos. Purchasing a beachfront condo in Panama comes with a specific legal and tax consideration that buyers must navigate very carefully. Legally, foreign buyers are generally afforded the same property rights as Panamanian citizens, but understanding local regulations and restrictions, especially those governing coastal properties, is crucial. Tax-wise, buyers should be aware of property taxes, transfer taxes, and any applicable exemptions. Beachfront properties may also be subject to additional regulations or fees due to their location. Due diligence, including a thorough review of the property's title and zoning laws, is essential to assure compliance and avoid future disputes of liabilities. Furthermore, considering the potential for rental income, buyers should understand the tax implications of leasing their property. Consulting with a real estate expert and legal advisors familiar with Panamanian property law is vital to navigate these complexities successfully. Understanding costs associated with property transactions. The costs involved in property transactions in Panama extend beyond the purchase price. Conversely, a lower actual value can affect the resale value and investment return. Legally, these discrepancies can cause disputes in sales contracts, leading to potential litigation or renegotiation of terms. Buyers of beachfront condos must account for legal fees, real estate agent commissions, property registration, and transfer taxes. Additionally, ongoing costs such as maintenance fees, utilities, and property taxes should be considered in the financial planning. Understanding these costs upfront can help buyers budget effectively and avoid unexpected expenses. Choosing legal support for property and residency issues. Securing knowledgeable legal support is crucial for navigating the complexities of buying beachfront properties in Panama, especially for expats. A lawyer specializing in Panamanian real estate and immigration law can provide invaluable guidance on property transactions, residency applications, and tax compliance. They can also assist in resolving any legal issues that arise, ensuring a smoother process for purchasing property and establishing residency. Choosing a lawyer with a good track record and experience in dealing with foreign buyers can greatly facilitate the acquisition and residency process. In conclusion, investing in property in Panama requires thorough research, careful planning, and the right legal advice. Understanding the nuances of Panamanian property in the real estate market, from tax exemptions to legal frameworks, can help you make informed decisions and secure a successful investment. Well, thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions or any other queries, please go to ndm.com.pa. Thank you. Goodbye.